Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we have here, guys, we're going to demonstrate where the battery fuse is located on 2017 Honda Civic. You guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in just one of them that's located under the hood. You can see now if you come right here, if you open the hood, your alternator is right here. Car battery is right there. This is your car battery, as you can see, and right next to it, right here, this is your fuse box. If you open that cover for the fuse box here, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now you will see that you have some fuses here, relays, multiple relays, and then towards the bottom you have those special fuses, 3 of them. It could be even 4, some of you may have a 4th one depending on the options. These fuses consist of multiple fuses, okay, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these fuses, guys, okay, are known as multi-block fuses. So if one of them burns, you replace the whole block. In order to check if it's burnt, you remove the bolt and you pull them out. What those fuses look like, let me actually show you guys. Okay, we're going to come right here. That's what they look like. Okay, it consists of multiple fuses on the inside. For instance, the first one, that's number 1 there. Okay, it's that one right here. You can see this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses that we have, guys. Now, which fuse we need to check for the car battery? This will be the front of your Honda Civic. This towards the windshield side. If we zoom in, we come to that middle fuse block right there, the one on the very bottom. That's the biggest fuse, 125 amp. Okay, that's a fuse that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.